welcome back to my channel. So this video is long overdue, but let's just jump right into it. So I'm using the two colors from Adore, Lavender, and I boiled up water, like super boiled. I think I even forgot about it. But yeah, I boiled up water and I realized that if you use less water, like the color will be more concentrated. So I did not put that much water into the bucket. I just put it like literally like 1/3 or 1/4 of the way, and then I just left it like that. Next, I used this padded brush and I just used like the tip of it to mix up the color in the water. Then after I took the second bottle of the Lavender Adore and put it inside the water again. So like I said earlier, I didn't use that much water, so this little piece of water was like concentrated with a lot of color. And you can see like even the tip of the brush was like turning lavender. I think this helped mostly with the hair, and it dyed even faster, and I think the hair caught all the color that was in the water. Okay, so next I took this 613 wig. It's a lace front wig. I have had this wig for, I think it's been like 2 years now, to tell you the truth. I even made like a video of it like back in like 2 years ago when I first got it, and that was like when people were still doing like unboxings of hair and stuff. So yeah, it was a long time ago, but I always like forget that I have this hair, and people always write on that video for like what's happened to the hair, is it good, is it bad, and I couldn't even answer because I keep forgetting to use the hair. But I finally got the idea to use this color, so I'm like I could pull out that hair and use it. But as you can see, it colored super fast. Like using less water helps. Oh, and also I forgot, I was trying to avoid tinting the lace, so I did spray my Got To Be spray on it, the yellow one, and it pretty much helped. Yeah, the lace didn't tint at all, didn't turn purple or anything like that. And also once I sprayed it, I let it sit for like a good 5 minutes before I did put it into the water, just so that it can get like tacky and actually protect the lace. So that was pretty much it. I did end up having to cut out the part where I installed the wig because it was too much, but I will link the video that I followed step by step down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and of course follow me on all my social media. Bye guys.